step into the Ram 2020 3500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include bright white clear coat, dual rear wheels included, bright wheelskins clearance lamps tires, LT235/80R17 EBS WAS tire pressure monitoring Elite 17 inches steel spare wheel box and rear fender clearance lamps wheels, 17x6.0 steel chrome-clad 6,000-pound front axle with hub extension gross vehicle weight, 14,000 lbs rear wheelhouse liners, engine, 6.7 Li6 Cummins turbo diesel included, selective catalytic reduction, area, dual 730 amp maintenance-free batteries Cummins turbo diesel badge heavy-duty engine cooling supplemental heater gross vehicle weight, 12,300 pounds current generation engine controller diesel exhaust brake capless fuel fill with O discriminator,